Okay, susunod po, tunghayan naman natin ang ASEAN TV para sa Manila Fame. Ano nga ba ito?
Umabot na sa 60th edition ang Manila Fame, the design and lifestyle event na nagsho-showcase ng iba't ibang gawang Pilipino sa larangan ng furniture at furnishings. Mula Luzon, Visayas at Mindanao, may iba't ibang ipinagmamalaki. Isang magandang halimbawa rito ay ang mga produktong world-class ng mga Ilocano.
The Philippines has a lot of natural fiber that they simply don't have. And we have abaca, we have banana, we have bamboo, we have bunta, we have buri. We have so many natural fibers that they don't even recognize. So this is really important.
At hindi rin naman magpapahuli ang Cebu na gawa rin sa mga natural fibers at mactan stones.
For the sculptures that we have, we're using the mactan stone, and this is just equivalent to the limestone. And we do the casting process. And for the baskets that we have here, these are made of natural fibers that's available locally. So these are lampakanay, then the wicker, and then we also have the buri and rattan that we're using. So all of the products that we have are handmade.
Nakasisiguro rin na ang mga produktong ito ay pangmatagalan.
The baskets that we have are very durable and also our sculptures because they're all handmade. From the process of making the frame for the baskets, for the metal frame, these are all handmade and up to the finishes. If we do the natural, so these are done into the lacquer finish, and for the finishes that we have with colors, we do it into hand rubbing.
Sa pagdayo at pagtangkilik ng mga foreign clients sa mga produktong Pilipino at pag-export nito sa iba't ibang panig ng mundo, ay mas magiging handa ang bansa sa nalalapit na ASEAN Integration 2015.